Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to integrate Claude into Jupyter Notebook. So let's start with the first step, which is to get your Anthropic API key. So go to the console.anthropic.com and sign in or create a free account. Now after that, just click on the settings, tap on the API keys in the left sidebar, and click the orange create key button. So give it a recognizable name like Jupyter Claude key and copy the key that starts with SK and API 03, that one. So save it somewhere safe that you won't be able to see it again. Next step is install the Anthropic Python SDK. So open your terminal or command prompt on Windows, terminal on Mac Linux. So, or you can also open a new cell in the Jupyter and prefix the command with this one and run pip install Anthropic. So this installs the official Anthropic Python SDK along with its dependencies, which is HTTPX, Pendantic, and wait for it until you see the successfully installed Anthropic. Next step is import and initialize the client. So open Jupyter Notebook in terminal, and create a new Python 3 notebook. Now in the first cell, import the library and initialize the client with your API key. Now for production code, use environment variables instead of hard coding the key. So press the shift, then enter to run the cell. Next step is send your first message to Claude. So in the new cell, call the client.messages.create with the required parameters, model, like for example, Claude Sonnet 4.5, max tokens, how long the reply can be, and messages list with your prompt. So print message.content, text to see Claude's response. So run the cell with shift enter. Lastly is see the Claude's response in line. So Claude's response appears directly below the cell, typically in 1 to 2 seconds. So you now have the Claude fully integrated into Jupyter. So from here, you can pass the data frames, summarize CSVs, generate code, and analyze images or build entire agentic workflows. So you can combine with pandas, matplotlib, and IP widgets for interactive AI notebook. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!